If we go back to 1960s or 1950s, when our grandparents and great-grandparents lived, they spent a completely stress-free life. The main reason for that is their lives were very simple and environmental friendly. They were as fit as fiddles, which means they were very healthy both physically and mentally. They filled up their stomachs with jackfruit or breadfruit picked from their own trees or with homegrown vegetables. Those days, artificial bathrooms with hot water showers were not there in their houses. Instead, our people bathed at natural spring wells or in the river. All these facts indicate that our ancestors were pretty much close to the natural environment and they became healthy with the blessings of the environment. If we come back again to the modern era, the situation has not only turned completely upside down, but also it is somewhat pathetic. I think this is the ideal time for us to discover what the main reasons for this are. Some people say this is the age of artificial intelligence, whereas some say this is the era of science and technology. Everything is made with machines. People have alienated themselves from the natural environment to such an extent that they themselves have forgotten that they are one part of the environment. Environmental pollution is skyrocketing, destroying both flora and fauna and animals. Now, I would like to divert your attention from the physical side to the unseen side, which means to the spiritual side. In the past, our ancestors were not as selfish as us. They always thought about others rather than thinking of themselves, and they considered love, caring and sharing as their religion. Therefore, everybody lived happy lives. In contrast, today, people have become as cruel as cannibals. People are ready to kill even their closest ones in order to win their personal gains. Religions and the great teachings of the religious leaders have become obsolete and namesaked. Employees are trying to step up the ladder of success by pulling by the legs of other co-workers, whereas siblings are killing each other for properties. In this context, today all of us are stuck in houses irrespective of nationalities, religions, age, gender, etc. Think for a while. What is the message that the environment is trying to give us? I think the environment has given us a second chance to understand and rectify our past mistakes. The first thing that we must take into our heart is we all are humans. I personally believe that the coronavirus is a universal punishment given to the entire human world by the cosmic energy. So, be environmental friendly, be generous, be kind and be religious so that we all will be able to raise our heads against the corona pandemic.